Imagine editing an entire video by tweaking just one frame. Sounds like magic, right? Well, Adobe's latest AI experiments are turning this into reality, and it's as mind-blowing as it sounds. At their Max conference, Adobe unveiled a series of experimental tools, dubbed sneaks, that promise to revolutionize how we edit photos, videos, and audio. But here's where it gets controversial. These tools are so powerful, they might just redefine what it means to be a creator or spark debates about the authenticity of digital content. One standout sneak is Project Frame Forward, a tool that lets video editors add, remove, or replace elements in a video without the tedious process of masking. In a jaw-dropping demo, Adobe showed how a woman in the first frame of a video could be seamlessly removed and replaced with a natural-looking background, all with just a few clicks. And this is the part most people miss. The tool doesn't just edit one frame. It applies these changes across the entire video, maintaining consistency and saving hours of manual work. But here's the kicker. Users can also insert objects into the video by simply drawing where they want them and describing them with AI prompts. For example, a generated puddle was shown reflecting the movement of a cat already in the scene. Talk about next-level realism. Project Light Touch is another game-changer, using generative AI to manipulate light sources in photos like never before. Want to change the direction of light, illuminate a dark room, or even turn day into night? This tool does it all and in real time. Imagine dragging a dynamic light source across your editing canvas, bending it around objects or people, like illuminating a pumpkin from within. You can even tweak the color temperature to create warm, cozy vibes or vibrant RGB effects. But here's the question. As these tools make lighting adjustments easier, will they diminish the skill of traditional photographers? Let's discuss in the comments. For audio enthusiasts, Project Clean Take is a dream come true. This tool uses AI prompts to alter speech enunciation, allowing users to change the tone, emotion, or even specific words in a recording, all while preserving the speaker's unique voice. It can also isolate background noises, letting you mute a barking dog or amplify a faint conversation. No more re-recording entire clips. But this raises an interesting debate. If we can alter someone's words or tone so easily, how can we trust the authenticity of audio content moving forward? These are just a few of the sneaks Adobe showcased. Others include Project Surface Swap, which lets you instantly change the material or texture of objects. Project Turnstile, which lets you rotate and edit objects in images as if they were 3D models. And Project New Depths, which transforms 2D photos into editable 3D spaces. Each of these tools blurs the line between reality and digital manipulation, leaving us with one big question. Are we enhancing creativity or entering a new era of digital deception? While these sneaks aren't publicly available yet, and there's no guarantee they'll become official Adobe features, history shows that many of Adobe's experimental tools eventually make their way into Creative Cloud or Firefly apps. Think of Photoshop's distraction removal or harmonized tools, which started as sneaks. So, while we wait, here's a thought-provoking question for you. As AI tools become more powerful, will they empower creators or overshadow human creativity? Share your thoughts below. Let's spark a conversation.